DJ Pain.
Time is money, patience is a virtue. We ain't never playing like a kid with a curfew. Nigga made video, they waiting on commercials. That's why these fucking squares never made it to my circle. Fuck your posse, moving silence like the Illuminati. Plus you niggas chicken and we didn't order teriyaki. Niggas two-sided, I was thinking Paragami. They don't want an ounce of beef, maybe you should Paragandhi. Products when I'm soul searching, bitches with their toes perfect, Maybach with the closed curtains, road to success. You have reached your destination, got no time for a seat, but a standing ovation. Last kings evolving, new kings evolving. Killers in the fort, I know that change is gonna cost them. A nigga in Paris, I know this just a Paris. Reservations complete, 40,000 for a suite. I practice what I preach, and that feeling so discreet. Show the bank of these figures, now she feeling so petite. Sweet, ambitions with a copyright. Listen to my dynasty, it's feeling like this can't be life. The boss of the Big Apple, I got a huge appetite. Let them niggas distract you, baby gang, switch your price. Yeah, I got my vision right. Oakley's on that 6 at night, they tell me I ain't living right, but you just came from prison, right? Right? Netted bars is the strangest answer. I'm lighting up cause I'm a star, no spangled banner. And we train with dances, all I see is figure 8, story of a vixen. That pussy probably Bill Gates. I do told me sell with grace, no album but mix hella tapes. Spanish bars speak no English, I fuck up like a celebrate. Built like this, niggas wanna move the wrecking ball. All white floors, feel like Michael when I'm stepping off. For killing for my son, same feeling in Sean Q. Now it's product size 2, independence without a debit card. This how we getting off, Queen Latina 7 off. Al Capone on this killer shit without the heavy scars. Mike Jackson on this thriller shit without the no job. Illmatic, super ugly flow like I'm mobilized. What's the chance of those odds? I tell you when there's no prob. I used to play with iPods, now he think he's Steve Jobs. No relief, nah, I really don't believe in such. Product color peanut butter, this my recent Reese cup. And you won't see these in months, these I'm only seeding once. She on the bucket list, so I need Morgan Freeman cut. Tell him beam me up like a Sarah. Walking, talking, we ain't liking those errors. See us so twice, we ain't liking those mirrors. See us so broke, we inspired those terrors. The action sign is near, I'm in a place you haven't entered yet. Rent the Maybach and I ain't even on the Civic yet. Fresh pair of J's, ain't even touched the city yet. The car's too explicit, too surprised nobody censored that. Looking for a buzz like an early morning cigarette. My bitches hold the drugs, now it's softer than a pencil set. This the newest encore, hoping you respond all. I dropped 4 or 5 in the game, new LeBron score. Important to the culture, kill a nigga for them Concords. Print a pic, put it on your flag, moving onwards. Y'all sit on a budget like an overstuffed suitcase. I'm getting money, y'all not. Shoelace, that's the shit that you crave, coupe degrade. I'm promoting these niggas, aim to mute your way. I'm provoking these niggas like the Boosie fade. All eyes on who, you better wash my shoes. I'm dialing operators to connect me with the opportune. Styling with designers to select me with the proper jewels. And we got a rule that only brings royalty. Prison break poetry, a lot of fake loyalty. I'm gone, but I'll be back soon.